kids! Welcome to this little short spooky story by a writer called Rob Campbell. Let's start the story. Are you ready? The story is called Scary Things. Now, kids, tell me, what do you see here? What is this? This is a spider. You're right. Okie dokie. Let's see what happens in the story.
The scariest thing in the garden is a
hairy spider. Ooh, look at how scary he is. So kids, who is the scariest? Who is the scariest animal in the garden? That's a little spider. You are correct. Let's see what are the other scary animals.
The scariest thing in the forest is a hissing snake. Hiss.
Can you say hissing snake? So the scariest thing in the forest is a hissing snake.
Now, the scariest thing in the sea is a silent shark.
Silent? No words, a silent shark.
The scariest thing in the jungle is a tiger. Row, 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 row.
Can I hear you? Wow. Very good. That's amazing.
And the scariest thing in your house is
You are the scariest thing in the house. You. So kids, can you tell me, who is the scariest animal in the garden? Yes, that is a spider. Who is the scariest thing in the forest? Snake. That's right. Who is the scariest thing in the water?
a shark. Who is the scariest thing in the jungle? Wow, wow, wow.
Scary tiger. And the scariest thing in the house this Halloween is you. Thank you for listening to this short story, kids, and see you next time. Bye.